There are many things we haven't dealt with in our past as a Lebanese society. We've had the Lebanese Civil War that ended in 1991, and after that segregation has happened. So the Christians live on their own in small bubbles, segregated from Muslims.
We've recently launched new peacebuilding initiatives, and our goal is to help Christians and Muslims who are living side by side in Lebanon traditionally to collaborate and working together for the benefit of the common good in the community, but also to live side by side more intentionally.
We have 5 initiatives that we are working on. 3 of them we've launched, and 2 of them are kind of in our strategic plan for the next 5 years. One of them focuses specifically on interfaith dialogue with the youth. Another one is between faith leaders, and the third one is is specifically geared towards our Christian evangelical constituency. We're trying to live out the love of God, what He's taught us to do, to love Him and love our neighbors as ourselves. And if we were to do that, that would at least mean to have a meal with them, to talk to them, to get to know them. And this is what we are trying to do with these young people. We hope to be able to create that movement in Lebanon where we will be advocating for the poor, fighting for more justice, and doing that not single-handedly but with a community and constituency around us as well. This is one of the rare opportunities where Christian youth are able to talk about what they truly believe in a very non-offensive, non-aggressive way, just sharing, this is what my life looks like and this is why I do it. And I think there's power in that.
Ultimately, we want to see God glorified, but He will be glorified through the restoration of communities. And reconciliation is both vertical, but it's also horizontal. Loving God, loving our neighbor, loving our enemy, but it's actually building societies that become immune to conflict if it's possible.